today we're going to be talking about how do you teach a child addition and subtraction. First red flag, check if your child very clearly knows value count. When you practice like this using Montessori, kinesthetic, full body, manipulatives like these, your child is bound to learn. Hello and welcome everybody to yet another episode of Sashakt Empowering Lives. For all of you who are joining us first time, a very quick introduction. My name is Rajni, special educator, now 18 years of work experience, a proud mother to 2 kids, actually 3, the third one is an animal, but my child. Proud mother to 3 children, the eldest one on the autism spectrum, 21-year-old, graduate Jayaditya Singh. He's done his hotel management and is now a working professional in a different city, stays all by himself and is completely independent. Apart from this, we have about 18,000 plus students worldwide onto our different programs, a lot of digital presence, YouTube, Instagram. We continue to do a lot of lives, a lot of webinars. Please feel free to join us and learn, because you know what, my son is where he is because his mother was as qualified as his special educator, both of them being the same. And that's the lesson I want to bring to all of you guys. Autism is completely workable provided the parents don't shun the responsibility and want educators to work and bring the change in the kid, because it doesn't work that ways. Parents have to be in the lead role. Parents have to be in the driver's seat. They have to take the lead, and then the educators are the supporting function, which is what I continue to say to one and all. Get into the driver's seat, yeah? Learn behavior correction, language development, social skills, self-help skills and academic skills. When you do that, your child grows magnanimously. So, if you like our content, click the like, subscribe, share and press the notification button. Very quickly, let's get started. What is today's topic? So, today we're going to be talking about how do you teach a child addition and subtraction. Now, when you're doing addition and subtraction, you don't just simply jump onto, okay, Baba, this is 4 and now we'll add 2 to it. And you put another 2. Now this is 7 and we'll add 5 to it. So you are saying 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Forget it. The child is not going to get it because there is no mental picture of the fact that something is being added. Something is being increased. The value is going up. First of all, first red flag. Check if your child very clearly knows value count. If a child doesn't know value count, it is useless in trying to teach them addition, because if my child doesn't understand that 4 has a lesser value as compared to 7, then my child will never figure out that when 4 is added to 7, it becomes a much bigger value. Yeah, so it's very important to establish quantification initially, which is what is the value of a given number. Once that is done and the child knows it, after that what you're going to do? For teaching addition, you will again go the simple route. Very, very simple, which means you will first start with add 1 more. So take any number. For sake of saving time, I've already taken a number. It's not important that you only start with 4. I've just taken it for example's sake. You can start from any number. So you take, let's say, 4 erasers. Yeah, and then you're writing M-O-R-E. That's more in red color, and you put the plus sign in red color. So you're saying 1 more. So 4, and then you take 1 and you say 1 more. Kya kiya? 1 more kar diya. Yeah, then you will again remove it and say again, now this is 4 and this is 1 more. So do it with a lot many more things, Jenga blocks or any other thing, erasers, DOMS erasers, the white ones, all of them are white. So, and take some pink ones, they have pink, green eraser. So stack up all the white ones, say 7 and 1 more, and then you also do, so I have shown a multi approach here. First is absolutely tangible, so Jenga blocks, any other blocks, but use similar things. If you actually see on my table, I have 4 different colored erasers. I will not use these to teach 1 more because this is 1 attempt and 2 variables. Yeah. A, we are teaching them increasing in value, and B, these are different colors. Doesn't work that way. So I'm not going to take these. So all of them are same color, 4, and then one more, and then you can try it with another color also, 4 and then one more, that makes it 5. Second thing is you'll make a staircase here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then with the arrow, one more. So if you see here in our book, these are the kind of books that we prepare at Sashakt for teaching children. If you want to work with the kid with such kind of books, in the description you'll get the numbers. You can get in touch with my team and they can help you procure these books. So we courier these books also. So anyway, so like this, if you see here, so now if you say 6 and 1 more here, 3 and 1 more here, 3 and 1 more, and it's going to 4. So similarly here you will first teach like this, and also the finger model. Okay, so also the finger model like this over here. Then you will say 1 more. So 4 and 1 more, and keep it like this. So you could even do 4 and 1 more. So 5. Like this, first you will teach with different numbers. First you will teach only 1 more, then you will teach 2 more. Same way you will do, see here, 4 and 2 more, and then you can remove it and say now again 4 and you put 2 more. And for sake of clarity you can say now make 4 and 1 more, child should pick up only 1 and put it here. Then you say okay, now make 2 more, child should pick up 2 and put it here. Like this you will do 4 and 1 more, 4 and 2 more, like this 6 and 2 more, 7 and 2 more, and a 3-way approach. So with the fingers also, with the staircase also, for children who will not understand like this, you will do the actual staircase and write the numbers on the staircase and make him climb 1 more stair and say now read how much is the number. So when you practice like this using Montessori, kinesthetic, full body, manipulatives like these, your child is bound to learn. First you do 1 more, 2 more, 3 more and 4 more. After 4 more you go on to regular addition and you could do it like this. Yeah, and we do wipe and clean books, so that you can every time just write the number, wipe it clean, and the child can reuse it. And then you go to of course tens and ones, and the whole process continues. I hope you liked the video. In case you did, please give us a like, subscribe, share, notify, and don't forget to catch us on various platforms, Instagram, YouTube, and yes, we are coming to Mumbai. I stay in Navi Mumbai. We are going to Mumbai for an offline event where I will be training you for 2 solid days, face to face, samne, correct behaviors, increase language, increase social skills, let them make friends, get them to study academic concepts. We'll show you the books and lots of heart-to-heart talking, 1st and 2nd of March. If you are interested, type in the chat box interested and my team will get in touch with you for the venue and other details. I said addition and subtraction. So subtraction, similarly, there you will say 4 and 1 less. So like that. Same way, same processes and same way for subtraction with the book. Yeah. So now here you will be going, so this is like 4 less. So 5 and 4 less is, it goes to 1. Yeah. So like this. So same way you will do a tangible, full tangible, then you will do a semi-tangible, and then you will do an abstract, and you will teach the child.